Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Trouble Free. In today's video we are going to learn about IFRS, which is a short form of International Financial Reporting Standards in the subject of managerial economics and financial analysis. So this is going to be a very short video, very short and informative video I can say. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and share it with your friends so that it will be useful for them as well if they are having exams. And let's quickly get into the video first. So here we have IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards. Okay, and what is this IFRS? Issued by Iasb, and this IFRS is a standard which is issued by Iasb, which stands for International Accounting Standards Board. International Accounting Standards Board. It gives us all the standards related to the accounting, right? So this IFRS was introduced by Iasb for providing common accounting language to present or to represent the financial information or accounts, whatever is there, financial information and all can be presented by using this IFRS. Okay, and that was issued by IASB, right? So why do we need a common accounting language? See, many people say English is a very important language. English is the most commonly accepted language. Why? Because many of the people, English is followed in many of the countries. Almost of all the countries follow English. If you know Telugu, you can only survive in Telugu states. If you know Kannada, you can only survive in Karnataka. If you know Hindi, you can only survive in India. But if you know English, you can survive anywhere in the world, right? So like how English is a common communication language for us, even in accounting, IFRS has some standards, some common standards using which we have to express our accounts, so that it will be useful to everybody. It will be understandable to everybody. Everybody can understand it. See, suppose you belong to some country, suppose you belong to Germany. So you will be writing your accounts in German, and if some American or some other country people or some other country person wants to read your accounts, then can he understand? No, right? Because he don't know German. So that is the reason why we will be using IFRS, which has some standards, and all the accounts should be written using that standards only, right? And now, so what does this IASB do? I already said you, right? It will be providing some standards, how exactly accounts must be reported and how to maintain the accounts. All this will be given by this IASB. It will give how exactly we have to report our accounts and how exactly we have to maintain our accounts. That is given by IASB. And why do we need common accounting? Because in order to establish a very good communication between companies to companies and countries to countries, right? Now let us try to understand what are the advantages of this IFRS. That means why we have to use IFRS. So what are the plus points that we get from IFRS? Let us see now. See, all businesses can present their financial statements on same basis. That means there will be no differences, there will be no variation, right? Every business, even a small business or a large business or a middle scale business, everything can present its financial statements on the same basis, right? And easy communication is possible with your competitors or with your friends or with anybody, with your co-working companies or companies working under you or companies under which you are working. You can communicate with all the other people, all the other business people in the market easily because of this IFRS, right? And this IFRS is used everywhere in the world except in USA, except in America. America will not use IFRS. Instead of IFRS, it will use a financial standard which is called as GAAP, right? GAAP. GAAP stands for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP stands for. Okay, so but IFRS is only easier when compared to GAAP. Of course, GAAP is also easier, but when both of them are compared, IFRS is very easier to understand. So that is the reason why many people over the world are using IFRS, right? So that's it for this video. A very short video, as I said, very short and an informative video. IFRS is nothing but International Financial Reporting Standards, in which all the standards through which you have to express your accounting details will be mentioned, and everybody will be following that. Because in order to maintain a uniformity among all the companies and countries, so that everybody can understand all the accounting details easily, right? And yeah, but this IFRS is not used in America. In America, they use another different standard called GAAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, hit the like button, and if you have any doubts or if you have any queries or if you want to give me any suggestions or comments, or if it was helpful for you, or if you're not able to understand any type of suggestions or any type of comments, you can give it in the comment box, so that I'll read and I'll understand what you guys are feeling about the video. And if you have missed out the previous videos of this managerial economics and financial analysis, I will give you the link in the playlist. Sorry, I'll give you the link of the playlist in the description. You can check out and you can have a look at the other videos, which will be helpful for you for your exam as well, and also to gain, also to get information. And if you want to contact me for any notes or for any personal queries, I'll give you my Gmail ID and my Instagram ID in the description. You can contact me through that. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope this video was very much useful for you, and share it with your friends so that it will be useful for them as well. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Let's meet up in the next video.